In this video, we'll discuss how to set performance goals with your team. So why set goals? Whether you're an employee wanting a promotion, a manager leading a team, or an owner scaling a business, setting goals ensures your energy is spent on what matters. Moving the business forward. Why set goals? Setting goals, personal or with team members, is more than just a management exercise. It's a fundamental driver for professional growth and business alignment. When teams participate in the goal setting process, they move from simply completing tasks to understanding the why behind their daily actions. Well defined and shared goals transform abstract business objectives into actionable milestones, ensuring that every individual's efforts are pulling the company in the same direction. I'll be using the SMART Goals framework in this video. It's a high performance tool used to turn vague intentions into actionable plans. Let's take a look at the steps. Specific. Clearly defining exactly what you want to accomplish. You should be able to answer the WH questions, the who, what, where, and why. So instead of I want to improve customer service, use I want to reduce our average email response time. Specificity eliminates ambiguity. When a goal is clear, there is no room for drifting or misunderstanding what success looks like. Measurable. So attaching a number, percentage, or milestone to the goal so you can track progress. So an example, I want to reduce response times by 25%, so from 4 hours to 3 hours. If you can't measure it, you can't manage it. Data provides the objective proof that you are actually making progress, which keeps motivation high. Achievable or attainable. Ensuring the goal is realistic based on your current resources, skills, and time. It should stretch you, but not break you. If you currently have two staff members, aiming to answer 5,000 calls a day might be impossible, so a goal of answering 100 calls per person is achievable. Setting impossible goals leads to burnout and just the job mindset. Achievable goals build momentum and confidence. Relevant. Aligning the goal with broader business objectives or your long-term career path. Improving response times is relevant because it directly impacts customer retention and brand loyalty. This ensures you aren't just busy with random tasks. It guarantees that your hard work actually results in values for the company or your career. And time bound. So setting a hard deadline for when the goal must be completed. I will achieve this 25% reduction by the end of Q3. Deadlines create a sense of urgency. Without a done date, tasks tend to get pushed aside by the crisis of the day. Why SMART goals work. For employees, it provides a clear roadmap. When it's time for a performance review, you have quantifiable results to prove your value. For managers, it makes delegation easy. You can give a team member a SMART goal and know exactly how to hold them accountable. For business owners, it turns a vision into a strategic plan. It helps you see where the business is leaking efficiency and where to invest more effort. So here's a few examples of vague versus SMART goals. So in the vague side, I want to sell more. In the smart side, I want to increase sales by 10% over the next 6 months by calling 5 new leads per day. On the vague side, I need to learn more skills. On the smart side, I will complete a Google certification by December 31st to improve my cloud skills. On the vague side, we need to be faster. On the smart side, the team will reduce shipping errors by under 1% by implementing a double check system by end of month. So in summary, using a structured framework like SMART helps eliminate the vague ideas that often lead to wasted time and miscommunication. When goals are clearly defined, teams can better prioritize high impact work, streamline their workflows, and measure progress with precision. This disciplined approach not only builds momentum, but also provides the data driven insights that help ensure the business consistently hits its targets and the team reach their full potential. So I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for how-to videos to help you develop the digital literacy skills you need to succeed. Thanks for watching.